Relevance of Amos' teaching on social justice and responsibility to Christians. So what do you learn on all this fairness, social fairness that Amos condemned? What do you learn as a Christian? Yes?
Christians should not enslave the poor.
Yes, you should not practice slavery. You should not enslave the poor. Yes? Yes, you should not misuse places of worship. You should condemn corruption. Yes, you should share the Christian with what you have with the needy. Very good. Condemn sexual immorality. You should acquire wealth in a just way. Very good. You condemn corruption. You condemn sexual immorality. You help the needy. You should not be involved as a Christian in cheating in business. You should acquire your wealth in a just what? In a just way. Also, you should not oppress the poor or misuse the places of worship. Remember, during the exam, I discovered that I told you, when you're starting to write an answer and you asked about what you learn from Christians, you say, they or Christians only. Okay? They or Christians only.